Let's talk about Mr. and Mr.
Okay.
The first matchmaking gay platform in India, right? How was it for you to initiate that first time?
So, Mr. and Mr. was born during the pandemic in 2021. Okay. So what happened is I have a friend, in fact, who what do you say, who had called me up in the middle of the night and said that I want to give up my life. There is no hope. I will not find a life partner. I'm going to be all alone. I don't want to be lonely, you know. I don't want to be all alone. I had I had registered for some matchmaking event, but it turned out to be fake, and that was my only hope, you know. Now, what will I do? I don't want to come home every day to empty walls, you know. And that's where I told him that be patient. I got him out of the suicidal thoughts, and I talked about to my friend Abhishek, who is my business partner, and he said, why not we start like a shadi.com, Bharat Matrimony for gay people. Only thing is, marriage is not legalized in India. So we talk about long term, we talk about matchmaking. And that's how it started, is idea to help the community find in a healthier way, you know. When you go to other dating apps, people block you, they ghost you, they mock you, because most of the time it's all about physical. Tu buddha hai, tu kala hai, tu mota hai, they ghost you, you know. And it takes a toll on your mental health, you know. People rejecting, can't handle rejection. So here is a healthier way where we do background verification. Sometimes people get married or they are already married. They are blackmailers, you know. So we do a thorough background verification. We prepare them for a relationship. We help them find a life partner, and we help them sustain a relationship. So that's the whole idea.
I get where this Mr. and Mr. Took birth from. What was the inspiration behind it, or motivation behind it? Usually we go to any matchmaking platform to find a companion or a love, right? With Mr. and Mr., do you think love is just a surface level thing? It's much more deeper than that?
Yeah, love is, main is acceptance. Main is feeling validated that I also deserve a partner. Okay, it's a courage to come out. If I find a life partner, I can go and tell my parents that I'm gay. Right. So it's much more than love. It is acceptance, it is courage to come out, it is fulfilling all my childhood dreams, you know. So it is, love is one thing, but it's just to come out and be my true self instead of hiding. And finally I have someone where I was so scared, I don't know how to do that all this alone. I have someone. Tomorrow if I go and tell my mother and they cut off the relationship, koi to hai mere saath.
Yeah. What does it mean to you when someone finds their partner through your platform?
Well, I feel so happy, first of all, that somebody has found a life partner. Now the idea is, the next step is to help them sustain, to create resources, you know. Because मैं जैसे बोला कि यहाँ स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, मुझे पसंद नहीं आया ये, तो मैं तुम्हें छोड़ रहा हूँ, you know. The main thing for me at that time is to make them understand and take responsibility of their relationship or of their feeling instead of blaming. So I'll give you an example where the work starts. And what we do is that, suppose you get into a relationship and तुमने तो सोचा बाप रे ये तो हम लेट नाइट मूवी में जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, ये तो 10 बजे सो जाता है. I don't want to be in this relationship. And you start blaming the other person कि I am suffering, I am in a mess, my life is horrible because I want to go for a late night party and you sleep at 10. And that's where we educate people. It's called psychoeducation, that stop blaming and start taking responsibility. Okay, he is not making you suffer. You expected that like a Bollywood will go for late night movies. वो मुझे गिफ्ट लाएगा, मेरे लिए वेट करेगा और खाना नहीं खाएगा. The relationship or the partner is not living up to your expectation. And that's why you are suffering. He is not making you suffer. And this is so important.
I think all the happiness depends on this. Whether you're gay, you're lesbian, you're straight, anything. Like, like Sadhguru says, what's happening outside is not in your control, but what will happen inside you is 100% in your control.
Absolutely. Bang on. The idea is that मैं एक ही चीज से सब कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. ये मेरे लिए खाना भी बनाएगा, ये मेरे को मूवी के लेके जाएगा, हम प्लानिंग भी करेंगे, हम ये भी जाएंगे. There's so much pressure on that one. Why can't I have a? Because Bollywood ने बोला है कि दो जिस्म एक जान है, वो सब मेरा दिमाग अब तो है तुम पे हर खुशी अपनी, तुम पे मरना है जिंदगी अपनी. That's suffocating. Absolutely suffocating because your whole life is revolving around that person. I remember asking a gay couple who've been together for 35 years. I told Dipen ke, what does Sameer do to make you happy? He said, Sameer is not a joker to make me happy. My happiness is my responsibility.
Well put. Well put.
So the idea is to make understand that I can go shopping with somebody, I can go movies with somebody, I can travel with somebody. I don't have to depend everything on one thing, right? अगर वो मुझने मुझे बोला, okay, कि तू खराब है, तू सेल्फिश है या गुस्से में ये बोला, okay, और वही चीज़ में सोचा उसने मुझे सबके सामने ऐसा बोला, उसने मेरा इंसल्ट किया, वो बोल के तो चला गया. मैंने सोचा एक दिन, एक घंटा, एक दिन, एक हफ्ता, एक महीना, एक साल, and then I fall ill. And what did I say? You called me ugly in front of everybody. Yeah. That's why I'm suffering. वो तो एक मिनट बोल के चला गया, एक साल किसने अपने आप को बोला? That responsibility you have to take.
That's overthinking. That's just overthinking, over communicating and whatnot.
So, but you need to take responsibility for that,
100%
right?
you have.
और 9 चीज उसने अच्छी बोला है, कभी मैंने सोचा भी नहीं है दूसरी बार, एक चीज पकड़ के बैठा है. So that is the challenge. कि you need to educate people that it is not about finding someone better looking, someone, because अभी तो swipe left right, ये नहीं तो ये ठीक है ना, ये नहीं तो कोई और मिलेगा, make you. No, but there is beyond body, beyond looks, there is out there. So we need to start moving towards that.